Okay, everybody, so I started looking for a butterfly.
Camera still.
And so Daddy found out it was a butterfly.
Yeah, Vera, hold your hand out.
And
Scoot back, buddy. Okay.
That's Vera's finger. I know it's kind of like a moth.
You see? You got her.
I didn't. I just got a monarch butterfly. Whoa!
It just wants the sunlight over there, buddy.
Oh. Yeah.
You recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, Derek saw this butterfly out here this morning, and we decided to come play with it. Oh, what am I stepping on? Pretty cool.
Here, zoom in.
Is that cool, guys? What are you doing out of the window? So it's Saturday, and we have so much to do. I don't want to do it, but once I get into it, it's going to be fun. Come on, guys. We're going to be painting again. Not by desire, but by need. This is what she looks like before. We have one white door. This is what the doors look like. I'm coming. Okay. What do you got, Vera? Show me.
I'm gonna show you how my legs fly like a butterfly.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Did you like to hold that butterfly?
Yeah.
Could you feel it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Daddy, so this day I just really wanted to hold a butterfly because I remember when I was at preschool, and when I was at preschool, when I was at preschool, Mr. Josh was finding a purple butterfly for me, and I hold a purple butterfly.
Did you?
Yeah, and it tickled.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Did you know butterflies are bugs?
Yeah, roly-polies are ticklish too.
Yeah.
We love
So to
explore.
There's nice bugs, right? Ladybugs, butterflies, roly-polies, worms. Those are all nice bugs, huh?
Yeah, we hold worms too. Yeah, one time I had in the center that was calling a worm center where I was finding worms in the mud.
Oh.
Alright, it's Saturday. These kids just want to play outside. It's really hot out there, guys, okay? Be careful. Keep coming in for water. But Cameron has taken the doors off to... Oh, not that one. Over here, the door is off. This is the dirty bathroom. The door is off. And he's going to paint. He is going to paint the doors to look like this one. Because but they used to look like this. I'm sure if you have been part of our family watching our videos, you have seen how dark it is in this hallway because the doors are
Here, let me turn.
a dark color like that. So since we've done this one and it looks great, then he's gonna do all the other ones in here, and he's gonna have to do that one too. That's a closet in the bathroom, see? I just made $3.30 on Ibotta. Sanding?
Sanding.
First coat?
First coat, which is actually the most satisfying because it's the first time you see the brown go away.
Yeah. The ugly brown. Well, good job. Our bathroom door is so skinny.
Yeah. That needs to be this size.
Yeah.
And I like using this small roller because it gives it a good finish for these doors. They don't look all textured like a wall, so this is the roller to use. Oops.
Cool.
Oh, many more coats to go. And you think about it, it's like 18 coats, 16 coats. I don't know.
Wow, it's so fun to actually see you guys playing with your toys. You're so cute, Miss Vera. But look at those legs. Oh my goodness. You got lots and lots of boo-boos, huh? Your elbows, those knees. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Do you just play hard?
Yeah.
Or is it that you're clumsy?
I'm clumsy.
You're clumsy and you play hard, right? Door. He's adding this one, another white door. And we need the one for the pantry.
Alright, folks. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was a lot of work. Just because I had to sand off like whatever finish and muck dirt was on there, but it was worth it. We gotta get a new doorknob there and there. Some new hinges for the girls' room. Okay.
It's the next day. And these kids are having a muffin. I made muffins for the young women today.
Guess what?
And we only had like 3, so I got tons of muffins left.
Guess what? Tomorrow is Derek's birthday.
Yeah.
And so today is Sunday, and we just only had sacrament meeting and only primary.
Yeah.
Not class.
We didn't have class. Yep. Huh? I thought you were trying to say something. Eat your muffin. Yep, eat your muffin.
You. Today there's gonna have a scary birthday of dinosaurs.
What?
No.
I don't know who planned that. That is horrible.
Derek is gonna have birthday presents, but tomorrow Daddy's gonna buy a birthday present for Derek, and you know You know I love green.
What?
Hope Jello.
Coke Jello. Yeah, we're gonna make some Jello. Okay, no more birthday talk. That's for the next vlog. Subscribe and stay tuned for the next vlog.
Yeah. It's milk.
Are you playing?
We're
You're
playing.
Batman, you're Spider-Man?
We're playing. We're playing. Make water with our masks so we don't get burned.
Mascus?
Yeah, so we don't get burned.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I just
So
saw
this
them
is
playing over
milk.
here. It was so cute. Milk?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because we're
okay.
making water. Because we're making water.
Yeah.
And for my friend.
You're holding him like a baby.
He's nervous right now.
Yeah, he is. Especially because I'm filming him. Yeah, you're fine. You're okay, but this doesn't hurt you.